The amount of the loan and the interest rate you pay depends on risk. The higher the risk that you won't pay back the loan, the stricter the terms offered by the lender.
They want to try to lower their risk as much as possible, so they're very specific about how much money that person can borrow, what kind of interest rates they're going to be offered, how much money they can borrow in relation to the vehicle that they're buying.
Your credit score reflects what type of risk you are. The lower the score, the higher the risk, the higher the interest rate. Lenders also consider the stability of income. That's a plus for military personnel.
One of the biggest things about military clientele is based on the consistency of their pay and the contractual obligation that they have, it does allow lenders out there to see that they can lower their risk significantly by extending credit to that person.
Rank, time in service, and time remaining in service are also important. All other things being equal, new recruits are a higher risk than a sergeant in his or her second tour of duty. One way to lower the lender's risk is with a down payment.
Banks like to call it customer investment. Whenever the customer or the client invests their own hard-earned money into a situation, they are considerably less likely to default. Well, if that's the case, that's a lower risk for the lender. Lower risk equals lower rate.
In some cases, a down payment won't get you a lower rate, but it will get the lender to okay the deal.
Absolutely. Happens all the time. Happens all the time. And it's like I said, people who invest their own money into a deal are considerably less likely to default.
In addition, the rate you're offered may be affected by the type of vehicle you purchase. Generally speaking, new cars have lower rates than used cars. Learning points. Interest rates are based on risk. Lower credit scores equal higher risk. Higher risk equals higher interest rate. Other factors may affect the interest rate. For example, a down payment may affect the rate. And as briefly noted, rates are different on new and used cars. This special video for military personnel and their families has been brought to you compliments of Aware. Aware is a vehicle financing industry coalition to help consumers understand how auto financing works. The group provides potential buyers of new and used autos with the tools and resources they need to successfully navigate the auto financing process.